Hello everybody, and thanks for clicking on our video. We've got a 1972 C10 Cheyenne here. Beautiful truck. It's got all the wood grain trim. Got a houndstooth interior that we'll get to later. It's a 400, very well optioned truck. And they have added these nice chrome vision wheels. So we're going to dive into it a little more with a drive. Let you hear the engine, get it up on the lift, and of course show you the interior. So stay tuned. Alright, we are in the interior now. I'll show you guys very nice clean interior. Again, you've got all the wood grain on the glove box door and the bezel there, and on the door panels. A nice white and black houndstooth seat. We've got tilt. We've got cold blowing AC, AM FM radio. Again, just a very, very well optioned, nice clean truck here. Alright, we're going to fire it up. Just wanted to show you guys here that we do have the tachometer, which is kind of rare. But we're going to fire it up and let you guys hear how it sounds. So again, we've got the 400, power steering, power brakes, cold blowing AC. Move on to the back, let you hear the exhaust. Alright, we're going to take it for a spin here, get it through the gears. I've got the windows up because again we've got working AC, and that is a must here in Florida. Take it down this little back road here. Get it through the gears for you. Take it back to the shop and get it up on the lift. We've got the 72 C10 Cheyenne up in the air. Going to show you the underside of it here. Very stock vehicle when it comes to the underside. Solid. Everything's in good shape. Like I said, very stock, just left alone. We've got turbo 400 transmission, and we've got the 12-bolt out back. And there it is. Thanks for watching.